It looks amazing. I think I've seen a few photos of how the finished product looks, but seeing it in the flesh is just so much better. Seeing the children using the space as well, the smile on their faces, yeah, 10 out of 10. Everybody I've spoken to so far, it's been really, really positive. Everybody's described the space as a total transformation from what it was before and what it looks like now, and I think everybody will agree that's watching this video, it looks absolutely incredible, so really happy. I mean, I don't think the time of year when I visited helped. It was middle of winter. I think that makes everything look a bit drab and dreary. But yeah, there was a lot of tarmac, a few things for the children to do, but not a great deal, not loads of zones for the children to utilise. So yeah, the before to after is definitely a total transformation. Oh gosh, there's too many to choose from. I definitely think the climbing frame, the Hartefeld platform and slide that we did will be a big win. The ramp and tunnel for sure, we've seen 5 or 6 children already using that to, yeah, and I mean they're running over it right now as we speak. And definitely some of the flexible resources like the Get Set Go blocks and the Rockies, just because of how durable they are, how you can move them around and make the area different day to day.